Okay guys, so this is our progress. The wall is finished drying. It finished drying on yesterday and it looks so good with this couch. We actually just slid the couch from this wall to over here just now because we had to end up repainting this wall white because it looked a little dingy. So I have paint like all over me. I'm a mess right now. But yeah, that's why this fan is here, because this fan, pro tip, if you're trying to do a project in like 2 days, this gets the wall dry way faster. This actually was probably dry way before, because we had this fan on like all last night, and before I went to bed, I turned the fan off.
Oh, okay.
So it was probably drying this wall for like
so it went overnight?
6 hours.
Oh.
No, it went overnight. And then we went ahead and moved this table over here. And it already looks so good. Yeah, we did a pretty good job. The space, I thought it was gonna be tighter.
And it's not even close to touching the door.
Yeah. So yeah, you were right, we do have a lot of space. I can even push the couch down a little bit more for the walkway.
Yeah.
I didn't realize we had that much space.
And it's still a lot of space to walk right there, you see.
Yeah, that's true. But I'm just saying, if we wanted a little bit more, we could, you know, push it down.
Because remember, that table used to be on this side.
On this side,
but
yeah.
it was kind of hidden right there. You can really see it. And it's such a
oh,
pretty
it's
table.
a pretty table. Yeah, it's kind of a waste.
Yeah.
That's true. Yeah. So we're about to get ready to bring the rug up finally. And one of our chairs, one of our like beauty room chairs, new ones that I got, are here. But the other one is supposed to be coming tomorrow. I don't know why they coming on 2 different days, because the date they gave me was May 9th. And I'm like, what the other chair at? I ordered 2 chairs. And I called them and she said they were on different trucks. So we're waiting on the other chair. But we're going to go ahead and bring the rug up here and then the one chair. So, okay, so here's the rug. It looks so, so good. On Overstock, which is where it's from, it said it was olive and black. And I was kind of unsure about how it would look in person. But it's so, so pretty. Like, the tones are gorgeous and they're going to go perfectly with everything else that's going to go in this room. And I also decided to add that lamp there that we got from Home Goods. That's the lamp that we showed you guys in our last vlog that we got the other day. And I just put that little crystal vase right there because I'm gonna find some pretty fake flowers to go in there that look real. So yeah, that's what that looks like. And this looks so much better on this side, I feel, because like I said earlier, ignore that fan. You really could not see the table on the other side of that couch. So this looks really, really nice. And this rug is so, so soft and silky. Like, I'm obsessed with how it feels, like, on our feet. So, so nice. I can't wait until this room is complete because it's already coming together really nice. Hi, guys. So, today is Tuesday. We haven't vlogged in, like, 5 or 6 days because we have been out of town. We were home in Montgomery for, like, 5 days. We left on Wednesday and then we came back yesterday, which was Monday. Yeah, we were gone like 5-6 days, but we're back. I'm gonna show you some updates on the beauty room because our chairs did come before we actually left for Montgomery on Wednesday, but I was trying to hurry up and get on the road, so I just decided I was gonna show you guys the chairs when we got back. So I'll show you guys those. I think I'm gonna try to go ahead and hang that picture today. I'm just a little bit tired because we were running errands earlier, went grocery shopping, had to go to the post office. And I just filmed a video, hence why my hair is wet, it's air drying. I'm trying 2 mousses. And then we also got our curtain rod in for our new chocolate curtains. But Kendra found a curtain rod that we both like, so we're gonna show you guys that as well. And I think that's it for right now because we're still waiting on the credenza and that's supposed to get here tomorrow. But that probably will not be in this vlog, that'll probably be in the next vlog. So yeah. But I'm about to eat something right quick because I haven't had anything since lunch earlier. I had a chicken wrap. Sorry if you guys can hear the dryer It's on. I don't know what Kendra got in there, but it's loud. I'm about to eat something right quick. I'm just about to have a quick Factor meal. Today's video is sponsored by Factor, so thanks so much Factor for sponsoring today's video. With Factor, clean eating is made easy. If you're too busy to cook this May, use Factor and skip the trip to the grocery store. No need for all the chopping, prepping, and cleaning up. Factor's fresh, never frozen meals are ready in just 2 minutes. So all you have to do is heat and enjoy. For an easy wellness boost, try refreshing beverage options like cold pressed juices, shakes, and smoothies. If you're looking for calorie conscious options ahead of summer, try delicious dietitian approved calorie smart meals with around less than 550 calories per serving. With 34 plus chef prepared dietitian approved weekly options, there's always something new to try. Plus, you can round out your meal and replenish your snack supply with an assortment of 45 plus add-ons, including breakfast items like delicious apple cinnamon pancakes, bacon and cheddar egg bites, and potato bacon and egg breakfast skillet. Also, if you want to budget this month by cutting back on takeout, get Factor instead. Not only is Factor cheaper than takeout, but meals are ready faster than any restaurant delivery. Okay guys, so I got the jalapeno cheddar chicken with cauliflower rice. I have the stuffed pepper casserole. This is bomb. It look good. Oh, those are the kind of green beans I really like, the crunchy ones. This is good. This would be good in like wrapped in a tortilla or something too, because it's giving like a Mexican vibe because it's very spicy and it has the peppers in it. It's good. Kind of like the healthy version. You remember when we get nachos at the game? But with like jalapenos on them? Peppers. This is like the healthy version of that. Really? So if you guys still have not checked our Factor, make sure you guys head to factor75.com and use the code GlamTwinsTV50 to get 50% off your first box. So head to factor75.com and use the code GlamTwinsTV50 to get 50% off your first Factor box. Okay guys, so here are our cute new chairs. These are so pretty. Like I said, I wanted some spinning chairs, so these also spin. They're way warmer in person. They're coming up like a lot lighter on camera. Let me see if I can turn this down to show the true color. A little bit. Okay, yeah, that's more true color. So yeah, these are them. They're a little bit smaller than our old chairs, but I actually prefer that because they make the space feel like more open. We ended up giving one of our chairs to Kylie, and it fits perfect in her room. We ended up taking it to Montgomery last week, and it fits perfect in there. She really likes the chair. It's so cute in there. Hope she enjoys that. And then the other one I'm gonna take back to Montgomery next time we go home, because my mom said like she wanted to give that other chair to somebody else. So I'm just gonna take the other one back home next time we go, because both chairs wouldn't fit in my car. Only one of them would fit. I will say though, they're not the most comfortable. Like the butt part is a little hard, but the longer you sit here, the softer it gets. So hopefully over time it'll soften. Because when I first sat on it, I was like, it's kind of hard, but it's already starting to soften, like the butt cushion. But yeah, I just love the detail of this like back part right here. It's so cute. And then I just love the color of it. It's giving vintage vibes. It's giving vintage glam room. So, and then it complements the rug really nicely. I hate anything that's too matchy-matchy, so I do want to do black chairs or olive chairs or anything. There's a beautiful lamp. This is the picture that I need to hang up. I forgot the name of the artist, like the website that Kendra got this on, but I'll have it on the screen and then I'll have it linked down below. But it's just this really pretty like cream and black painting of a woman's silhouette. So pretty. It's not going to be centered to the wall. It's going to be centered to the couch. So yeah, that's what we want to do with this picture. And then on each side of the picture, Kendra was saying she wanted to maybe possibly do some temporary wall sconces from Amazon or something, but we'll see. But yeah, this is gonna go over this couch, but I'm not finna hang it today because I'm too tired. I just want to go ahead and show you guys the picture that was gonna be going on this beautiful black wall. I swear it does not take a whole lot to transform a room, because all we did was literally paint one wall black and move the couch back to this wall, because when we first moved into this house, you guys know this couch was always on this wall, but like the past like 2 years we were using this whole wall as like studio space. So we would do photo shoots on this wall, and we would film a lot of our videos on this wall with backdrops. But I'm not really into the whole backdrop vibe anymore. I just miss like a cozy background, like old school YouTube days. So that's why we wanted to go ahead and do this vibe. So this is going to be cute for like our new backdrop for the main channel videos. And then here's our curtain rod. It's just a pretty black iron one, but Kendra specifically picked this one because of the knobs. So these are the knobs. These are so pretty. And she got this off of Amazon. If you guys remember, our old curtain rod was brass. And the only reason we got a new one was because the other one was like flimsy. So yeah, so this is gonna be the new one, and I'm gonna hang this as well. You guys will see that in the next vlog. I'm gonna hang it the same day that I hang the picture. But I'm too tired right now, and I have to concentrate while I'm hanging things because I'm very meticulous and OCD, so yeah. By the way, we still have this cute little picture up here of me and Kendra when we were little. How old were we? We were like 8. Yeah, we were in Cincinnati, Ohio visiting family. So yeah, we decided to keep that in here because it still goes with the theme and the vibe, and it's still cute, you know? And then for this wall, like after the sideboard comes and like we hang the curtains and stuff, we want to get a full-length mirror for this wall. By the way, that imprint is from a picture that used to be there. I'm not even gonna bother painting it because I'm just going to put a mirror there. We're thinking about doing the Anthropology lantern mirror, but those are so freaking expensive that I might just look into somewhere else that has them for cheaper, like the look of them for cheaper. So we're gonna see, but we just want a really big mirror right here. Yeah. And then for this table, we still have this pretty vase from Home Goods that we still are looking for flowers to put in that we need to agree on, because the ones that Kendra liked in Home Goods, I did not like them. I thought they were kind of old lady looking and I didn't like them. So we're just gonna have to wait to find some more flowers. And we also want to get a couple more coffee table books to like put at the bottom. So that'll be cute to stack. Oh, I can put some of my Vogues. I have a few Vogue magazines we could put here.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is what we have so far. So stay tuned to the next vlog to see us pretty much almost finish this room.